Good evening, good day, y'all. All right, it's almost getting to nighttime, you know. Okay, filming. The rain has stopped. I'm so happy about that, though. You know, so the rain has stopped and stuff like that. So enjoying this cold weather. Brrr, it's cold. Who is cold? Yes, it is cold. The rain has stopped. Okay, so if it rain hard again today, I'm gonna do my show out here again. But next time I'm gonna put a jacket on. You know. So some of y'all don't like the cold weather. You know. Look like the fog is clearing up down there. You know. Fog in the air, not on the ground. You know. Not another face in the clouds. You know. Not another face in the clouds. Okay. So I'm having trouble with my YouTube right now. You know. I say they need a phone number, whatever, to prove it's you. You know, I don't know what the situation is. You know, some of y'all don't like cold weather. I don't like cold weather that much either for a personal reason. You know, I love rainy days when in the winter when I don't have to go nowhere. But I hate rainy days when I gotta go somewhere. You know, rain or shine, I gotta go to the doctor tomorrow. You know. Go as a walk-in, you know. I definitely gotta go as a walk-in. They say first come, first served basis at this clinic, you know. Yes indeed, yo. So it sure is a cold day, you know. It was warm at first. For some of you females that's wearing shorts on a day like this, you out of luck. I bet your legs is freezing, you know, and your arms is freezing because you forgot your jacket and you forgot your raincoat and it got cold, you know. Yes, indeed, y'all. Well, I don't mean to laugh at y'all, you know. I'm sorry. I don't want to be mean to y'all, you know. Okay. All right. So. Alrighty. So that's all to it, y'all. Alright? So, my word is this, y'all. My word is this, ladies and gentlemen. Will I get this paperwork done or whatever in the freezing cold? I gotta put it in plastic bags and everything. Yep. This is some funny weather. but do y'all want it to snow? Well, I filmed the snow before. Okay. Yep. I filmed the snow. Okay. So yeah. But if it snow, I'ma film it. Which I hope it don't snow, cause snow causes accidents. We're not used to driving into weather like this, you know. I mean, weather like that. I mean, it's not snowing today. You know, we not used to driving into weather like that. You know, we were used to driving in rain. You know. All right. So I'm about to get off this, and I'll talk to y'all later. All right. Bye bye.